18, 18, 18 has been mentioned.
Mr. Chair, the state has already filed their counter, so I'm seeking them to file my motion.
Because
Yes.
this vice president was uploaded only this morning, so because of that, I was.
What was the order passed in item 18? Please cancel. Please cancel. Item 18. MS Lucino, the learned counsel for the petitioner, 6 for 2 weeks' time to file affidavit in reply. Okay. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
May I please, Your Lordship,
Yes.
I pick to mention hearing item number 30 on behalf of the council for the petitioner. It is prayed that the matter may be listed after 3 weeks.
On behalf of whom you are mentioning?
Sindianga,
Item
30.
Item 30 is not Sentianger.
Right petition number 30.
Item
Shri, which is the state of Nagaland, WBC 301 of
I cannot. You mentioned the serial number
30.
from the revised code. 30 is not Sentianger. Which is two?
Yes, Your Lordship.
This is mentioned. 29 mentioned. Huh? How this course list is prepared? One for the advocate, one for the court. You're mentioning on behalf of item 29. You're mentioning item 29, which it so? Which
Yes,
it
Your
so?
Lordship. Yes.
Okay, what is your prayer?
It is prayed that this matter may be listed after 3 weeks.
Mr. So-and-so makes a mention on behalf of Mr. Sentianger, the learned counsel for the petitioner, and seeks adjournment of the case after 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Item 14 and 15 motion.
One by one, 14. What is your prayer?
Lordship, here I'm yet to receive instructions, Lordship. So Lordship, I'm going to 3 weeks time, Lordship.
MS Subong Chang,
Lordship.
the learned government advocate, 6 for 2 weeks' time to file affidavit in opposition. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay. Item 15, same prayer.
Lordship.
Same prayer, item 15. Okay.
Lordship, I also like to mention item number 22, Lordship. Lordship, here I've sent my wanted to for writing, Lordship.
MS Subong Chang submits that the affidavit on behalf of the state has been sent for waiting and therefore 6 for 2 weeks' time. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
Lordship, similar prayer for item number 23 and 24, Lordship.
23, 24.
Lordship.
Same
May I
prayer.
please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
I pray that this item number 22, 23, 24 be listed along with WPC 23, WPC 24, and WPC 26, since these are all analogous matter.
WPC
23
of which year?
of 2024,
23,
of 2024,
2024,
WPC 24 of 2024,
24 of 2024,
WPC 26 of 2024,
26/2020. This item 2022.
22, 23, 24 be listed.
These are not
along-
listed as analogous. Let WPC 23/2024, 24/2024, and 25 and 26 or 25
26.
and 26/2024 be listed along with WPC 25/2024. Okay.
Please, Your Lordship,
Ah,
I'd be pleased to mention item 11, Your Lordship.
ah.
Your Lordship, here I have sought for clarification. It's awaited. So another 3 weeks may be granted, Your Lordship.
MS Ludvika, learned government advocate submits that certain clarification has been sought from the state respondents, and therefore 6-4. And therefore 6 adjournment of the case for 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, this is the second round of litigation, Lordship.
So what?
So a short date might be given.
Okay, we have given the date. Okay,
Unless-
yes.
Lordship, item number 8.
Ah.
Lordship, kindly grant me 3 weeks time to file my reply to the state respondents affidavit.
Okay. Item 8.
Yes.
This national spiritual.
Yes, Lordship, and for the writ petitioner.
Okay. Mr. M. Tilungjam, the learned counsel for the petitioner, 6 for 3 weeks time to file affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the state respondents. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
All right.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship.
Ah,
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 12, Lordship, on behalf of Mohsin Sir, Lordship.
ah.
I'm yet to file my counter, Lordship, so can you permission?
The
this time?
learned government advocate is granted 2 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. Okay.
Lordship, similar prayer for item number 20, Lordship, on behalf of Mohsin, Lordship.
Okay. Same prayer. Okay.
Lordship, item number 19, Lordship, on behalf of Achong Lee.
Okay, same prayer.
Obliged, Lordship.
Uh.
Please, Your Lordship.
Ah.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 16.
Ah.
The state is yet to file affidavit, so kindly grant me 3 weeks time.
The learned government advocate is granted 2 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. Okay.
Your Lordship, similar prayer for item number 21. State is yet to file affidavit here also.
Okay, same prayer, item 21. Okay.
And item number 27 also, state is yet to file affidavit.
27 also same prayer.
And Your Lordship, hearing item number 31,
Yeah.
WPC 79 of 2022 on behalf of Inaoli, can we let the matter come after 3 weeks? She's yet to receive instructions.
What instructions during hearing stage? With regard to regularization?
Director has no authority for of the case. However, by pushing some RDA, the rules obtained from RDA, it is found that director have utilized many workshops employees. In view of that documents, Lordship, this honorable directed the state authorities to file an additional affidavit.
Let us see, let us see. Okay, let it come as per the list. Okay, let it come as per the list. Let us see. What was the order passed?
Government is yet to file the additional
Yes, let us see the order. Yes, as per the list.
This law mention item number 6. Here the pleadings are completed. It may kindly be fixed for hearing after 3 weeks.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner submits that pleadings are completed and therefore the matter can be listed for hearing in the usual course. Okay.
My pleasure, Your Worship.
Ah.
My lord, I picked the mission item number 26.
Item
Number 26.
26.
Yes.
Yes, what is your prayer?
Let us make the matter will come up after 3 weeks. I have yet to decide instruction. And my lord, on previous occasions, I have accepted all for all the respondents, but now I came to know that I receiving only 1 to 4 respondents, my lord.
Let it come as per the list. Let it come as per the list. Let me see the petition.
My,
Please, Your Lordship,
Ah.
I make mention for item number 17. Lordship, we have received affidavit in opposition filed by the Union of India on 9 of April. Kindly give us 3 weeks time to file.
And
our
Mr. And so the learned counsel for the petitioner is granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit in reply to the affidavit in opposition filed by the union respondents. Okay. Yes,
Let me
Mr.
stand.
Chairman.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 13, Lordship.
1-3.
1-3, Lordship.
Yes, please.
Can you grant me 3 weeks time to obtain necessary instruction, Lordship?
Your Lordship, there is an interim.
Mr. Kiangami, learned senior government advocate, is granted 3 weeks time to file affidavit in opposition. Stop. The interim order passed earlier shall continue till the next return of the
Lordship.
Mr. Lordship,
Yes, please.
I beg to mention item number 4.
Ah.
I believe this matter may be listed after 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Okay. Item 4,
Yes, Your Lordship.
this Rankala.
Yes, yes. Okay. Your Lordship, I also beg to mention item
Yes,
number.
wait, on the prayer of Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, listed after 3 weeks.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes,
I also beg to mention item number 10.
10,
I believe this matter may be listed after 2 weeks.
same prayer. Okay,
Obliged. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5. Lordship, kindly grant me 2 weeks time to file affidavit in reply.
Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner is granted 2 weeks' time to file affidavit in reply. Okay,
Obliged, Lordship.
promotion. Yes, Mr. L. Ralu.
I need this, Your Lordship.
Petitioner takes offense at the show cause notice which was issued to him.
Hmm.
The show cause notice was issued to him.
What is
asking him
that
to-
show cause notice?
It's at page 16. Asking him to respond within 10 days as to why
Page
his service
16.
should not be terminated. Yes, page 16. I have a typed copy of it.
This is the impugn show cause.
Yes, impeach show cause. Now,
Yes.
This has not been preceded by any disciplinary proceeding or inquiry which is mandated under the Nagaland Service Act. It's been materials. So basically, this is the crux of the issue.
That Mr. L. Iralu, the learned counsel for the petitioner. The present petition has been filed to set and quash the show cause notice dated 2/4/2024 issued by the General Manager, Nagaland State Transport, Nagaland Dimapur, proposing to terminate the service of the petitioner. Stop. In the show cause notice, the petitioner has been asked to submit the reply within 10 days from the date of issue of the notice. It is the case of the petitioner that before issuing the show cause notice dated 2/4/2024, proposing to terminate the service of the petitioner, no inquiry or disciplinary proceedings has been instituted as contemplated by law. Stop. Issue notice to the respondents returnable after 4 weeks. Mr. Enangami accepts notice on behalf of all the
Yes, madam.
respondents. Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall serve the requisite copies of the writ petition to the learned senior government advocate within
2 days.
a period of 2 days from today. In the interim, it is directed that the impugn show cause notice dated 2/4/2024 shall remain dated 2/4/2024, proposing to terminate the service of the petitioner shall remain suspended till the next returnable date, provided the petitioner has not been terminated from service. Okay, yes. For admission, item number 1. Yes, what is the matter, Mr. Moore?
Payment of gratuity, Lordship. Retirement of gratuity.
Ah,
I was serving as assistant engineer under the Development Authority of Nagaland, Lordship. I
Ah.
retired in the year 2018.
you retired?
in the year 2018.
Ah,
In the month of March 2018. Now, at the time of my retirement, the government has already notified the RP rules 2017.
after
Where-
your retirement.
Before my retirement, 2017 rules was notified in the month of December 2017. Now, as per the notification, Rule 15 of the RP rules 2017 says that the ceiling of the gratuity, which was fixed at 10 lakh rupees, it was enhanced to 20 lakhs rupees. My claim in this petition is that I'm entitled to 17 lakh rupees, whereas
You are entitled to
17 lakh rupees.
17.
17, Lordship. As per the
Why 17? Why not 10, 20?
Lordship, as per the calculation of the, in terms of the gratuity act, Lordship. Now, the state has also filed the affidavit. They have not disputed about the calculation. The only contention raised by the state is that since I am an employee of the Development Authority of India, I'm not entitled to those benefits. That is the stand taken by the state. Lordship. This authority has been constituted by a statute, Lordship, and the Lordship is very well aware of Article 12, the definition of state, and I fall very much under the definition of state, Lordship. I have some authorities to rely upon. Lordship. And Lordship, I also kindly appreciate that similarly situated person, we were all working together as an employee of the Development Authority of Nagaland, Lordship. He retired subsequent to my retirement. He got a benefit of 20 lakh rupees, Lordship. The state has also admitted the fact. The only contention they have raised is that they have taken a decision subsequent to my retirement. So at the time of my retirement, they have not taken a decision to enhance.
At the time of your retirement,
Yes.
what were you entitled?
I was entitled to.
ROP 2017.
Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship. And if the Lordship, I also kindly appreciate, I filed my affidavit reply, where I have also enclosed a statement of my salary, Lordship. So for 3 months, that is January, February, March of 2018, the March is the month I retired.
Okay.
Now, for the 3 months, I was given the enhanced scale of pay in terms of the ROP 2017, Lordship. And when I'm given that benefit, Lordship, even the benefit which is arising out of the same revision of pay scale, Lordship, I should also be entitled to that benefit. That is my respectful submission before this on the board. And that is the crux of the matter, Lordship.
Okay. Okay, what is the stand of this?
Your Lordship, the stand of the government is that, Your Lordship, the petitioner in the month of March 31, Your Lordship, and then Your Lordship took up the decision to enhance the ceiling amount of 10 lakhs to the amount of 20 lakhs only after the retirement. That is, if you can kindly
No,
come
but
to
what
my
about
knowledge.
what about the ROP?
Yes, ROP was effective. That's why, Your Lordship.
ROP was enforced before the retirement of the petitioner.
Your Lordship, that's why amount was allocated, but as far as the death come retirement is concerned, Your Lordship, decision has to be taken, but because all the service conditions are governed, Your Lordship, by the DAN, Your Lordship. And so if you can kindly come to my annexure affidavit in opposition, Your Lordship.
Just give me the gist of the
There's
case.
a series of sequence where the DAN has written for enhancement, Your Lordship, and where a decision has taken, but that decision was taken only after the retirement, Your Lordship. So the stand of the government is that we are not saying that he is not entitled. The thing is that he retired before the decision was taken, Your Lordship. If the decision was taken prior to his retirement, then yes, Your Lordship, we will agree. But it was taken only after his retirement. And now the petitioner is bringing another person by A.K. Dubey, stating that they work under the same pay and structure and therefore he should be getting. But now that person retired after that has become effective, Your Lordship. And it is apparent in the record only. And it is clear from the representation forwarded by the petitioner. So it's written there that the person whom the petitioner is taking a reference has retired after the death come retirement enhancement to 20 lakhs was made effective, Your Lordship. So the petitioner cannot draw a parallels, Your Lordship. It is very clear, Your Lordship. If you Your Lordship can kindly peruse the
Jim,
documents.
are you representing? Yes, are you representing some parties?
I'm looking for the AG Lordship, the Committee's office.
Okay.
Lordship, as far as the claim of the petition is concerned, it's regarding to gratuity only. Because we are dealing with pension. And as far as the petition is concerned, we being working under a public sector, we don't deal with public sector.
You don't deal with gratuity also.
gratuity, Lordship, that will be worked out by the state. That state will be, Lordship. And not denied by the state. But ours comes, Lordship, gratuity, GPF all comes to us, Lordship, but in terms of the regular government affairs.
Okay.
But since the government authority of Nagaland is a public sector, Lordship, we don't deal with those people. So we have not filed that. And we are not disputing it. For that matter, how
They are not disputing what?
Regarding 2017 ROP,
Ah,
that is the issue. And that is the issue with the state. Nothing
that GPA, that gratuity is provided in this 2017.
Yes, Lord. That is a very Lord. We have nothing to say on that. Because that has been worked out by the state.
So the issue will be whether you will be entitled as per the 2017
Yes.
or whether you will be disentitled as per the decision taken
Yes,
by
Lord.
the.
Lordship has rightly pointed out. And in order to reply to that, Lordship, I may be allowed to check your Lordship to the notification date, Lordship. The date when the notification was issued, Lordship. The Lordship may kindly come to page 12 of my read petition. Page 12. Here. Page 12, Annexure B, Lordship. Mr. Lordship, got it? This is notification dated 16 December 2017. Page 12, Lordship. This date is very important, Lordship, for determining this case.
This is 16 December.
2017, yes, Lordship. 16 December 2017. I refer to only one, rule 1 clause B, Lordship.
1B.
1B, Lordship. We read it, Lordship.
Yes.
This rule shall be deemed to have come into force on the forenoon of 1st June 2017, only for the purpose of notional pay fixation, Lordship, in the revised pay structure, and for the purpose of fixation of monthly pension in respect of employees retired from service on or after 1st June 2017. Now, the next sentence is very important. Actual payment on the basis of the revised pay structure would be effective from 1st January 2018. And that is how I was given the enhanced scale of pay, Lordship, from 1st January 2018. This is the date of effective date of this notification, Lordship. And no errors of salary or pensions will be payable for a period prior to 1st January 2018. So
That is only notional.
notional. So this date, 1st January 2018, is very important for this case. Now the state has taken a stand, stating that they have taken a decision. That is a decision which is nothing less than an arbitrary decision, just to discriminate and to deny the benefit to the petitioner. And operative rule, rule 2015, page 23. Page 23, rule 15. Pension and other retirement benefits.
What rule?
Rule 15.
Rules. Page 2.
So this is part of the notification, Lordship.
Rule 15.
Rule 15, Lordship. Pension and other retirement benefits. I'm concerned with clause E, Lordship. What we'll find at the next page. Clause E. Maximum limit of that come retirement gratuity. The maximum ceiling limit of that come retirement gratuity is raised from the existing level of 10 lakhs rupees to 20 lakh rupees. This rule shall also be applicable to those employees covered under the National Pension Scheme. So this is the enhancement law. Earlier it was only 10 lakh rupees, it was enhanced to 20 lakh rupees.
Are you covered under this national pension scheme?
No, Lordship. And I'm not disputing about the question of pension. My concern is only limited to the gratuity. No, Lordship. All my salary has been affected from 1st January 2018. If you're watching it, can you- Like, filed by the petitioner.
Whether this notification is applicable to the employees of this development authority?
Yes, Lordship. Yes, Lordship.
How?
I was paid under this rules, Lordship. If you're watching it, can you come to the affidavit reply? It includes a salary statement of the petitioner. Affidavit will reply, Lordship. If you're watching it, can you take the trouble to come to affidavit reply? I've enclosed a statement of my salary, Lordship, page 5 of the reply, Lordship. Page 5 is the salary statement of the petitioner, Lordship.
Age.
Chart of the salary statement. Now, bottom 3, Lordship. On the extreme left hand side, 01 2018. This is the month of January 2018. And now it's 76,845. Same amount was paid for the next 2 months, that is still March, Lordship. January, February, and March, Lordship. And prior to this, Lordship, in the month of December, I was given a salary of 66,832, Lordship. So from the month of January, that ROP 2017 was made into effect, Lordship.
How is this statement relevant for your gratuity?
This is to bring it to the notice of the board that I was given the benefit under the ROP 2017. Only for that purpose, Lordship.
ROP 2017.
Yes, Lordship. Now, if I'm given the benefit of the ROP 2017, I'm also entitled to all the provisions provided by the ROP 2017. Lordship. The benefit arising out of the same revision of pay, Lordship.
This government, whether the petitioner was paid ROP 2017?
Lordship,
Whether the petitioner was paid ROP 2017?
Your Lordship,
If that be so, you pay him.
Your Lordship, before coming to that, Your Lordship, that was a reply that was being given to me, and if we have to go to that extent, Your Lordship, then I have to seek some time so that I can seek clarification on that. However, Your Lordship,
If you are giving the petitioner ROP 2017, Then you pay him the gratuity.
No, your lordship.
No dispute on that.
We are not in disputing, we are not in dispute of enhancing the amount of 10 lakhs to 20 lakhs. My contention here is that, your lordship, the decision was taken only after the retirement.
Decision by the
your lordship.
government
Decision
or
by
by
the
the
then.
Dan?
By the then, your lordship, the service condition of the petition was governed by then, your lordship. I have enclosed all the rules, your lordship, the act, as to how the salary and allowances has been governed by then, your lordship. If you can kindly come to my annexure.
No, but
your
the
lordship will
petitioner
be-
was paid ROP
No.
2017.
Your lordship, that's why if we have to go to that line, your lordship, then in this regard, specifically to three months where his salary has been enhanced, that, your lordship, I can seek clarification. But we are on this point where I am making it clear that, your lordship, it was made effective, your lordship, only after the retirement, your lordship. So if at all, your
The
lordship,
the pay was made effective.
yes, your lordship, the gratuity was gratuity was
No,
made effective only.
They pay from January 2018, February 2018, March 2018.
No, your lordship, here we are dealing with retirement debt.
That's
That
why
come retirement, your lordship.
I am actually coming to that. If you are actually being paid ROP, if the salary of the petitioner is being paid as per ROP 2017.
No,
why
your
not
lordship,
gratuity?
maybe there's some clarification to that regard. Otherwise, your lordship, we are very clear, our documents are very clear when it comes to gratuity.
You want the clarification as to how actually like the salary of the petitioner from January to March 2018 was paid as per the ROP rules?
Yes, your lord, maybe that clarification I need to be sought.
Let-
Otherwise, your
let him-
lordship,
Let him come with the clarification.
his service condition is governed by the then only, your lordship. I have.
Then why pay him
enclosed
the
it.
ROP
So
2017?
that's why that reply was
Otherwise-
given, your lordship. So maybe to this time, maybe given.
MS Livika, the learned government advocate, shall come with necessary instructions as to how the petitioner's salary with effect from January 2018 to March 2018 was paid as per the ROP rules. The instructions shall be in the form of an affidavit listed after 1 week.
Much more.
No.
Item number 2.
Yes.
May I please, my lord? Lordship, I'm appearing for respondent number 1 to 4. Here, the petitioner is seeking extraordinary pension, and we have granted it to them. But the Accountant General Office has by a letter, your lordship, the letter dated 27/7/2012 has returned back.
Why?
Has returned back the document on the ground that the service of the petitioner has not been regularized. Now, your lordship, as recently as January 2014, they have now sent a letter to the address to the secretary home, seeking for those documents again. Now they're accepting that they will give them this extraordinary pension as per the order passed by us. Now we are asked to submit the documents to the Accountant General Office.
Okay.
Your lordship, I've already
You have
interpreted.
submitted.
Yes, yes.
Okay, we give them some time to receive clarifications. I think they are working in your interest. Okay, Mr. MT. Mr. Nangami, the learned senior government advocate submits that the process for payment of a extraordinary pension to the petitioner is in progress. He may therefore be allowed 3 weeks' time to seek necessary instructions, to seek further instructions. Prayer is allowed, listed after 3 weeks.
I'm deeply obliged.
Yes, Mr. Mohan.
It is a completing this case also.
Why affidavit in reply not filed? You have filed? You have filed
Yes, Lord.
affidavit in reply? Affidavit in reply. Okay, we listed for hearing.
Lordship.
It is submitted by the learned counsel for the parties. That pleadings are completed and therefore the matter can be listed for hearing. Stop, listed for hearing in the usual course. Okay.
Obliged.
Item number 9.
Yes, Mr. Ma.
This case is for disposal of my activity before the appellate authority. I was dismissed from service lordship as a private lordship. Now I preferred an appeal in terms of the discipline and appeal rules lordship. It's been pending for quite some time. I'm seeking simple direction before this court for disposal of the.
Yes, Mr. Nangami. You are a senior government advocate, you should be overall in charge. Okay, let us see afterwards. Revise.
Item number 25.
None appears for the parties. Listed after 4 weeks.
Item number 26.
Yes,
Orders.
The application check. Allowed, let us maybe come up after 3 weeks.
why?
I'm correspondent number one,
You have a correspondent
Wonderful.
number?
wonderful, my lord.
1.
Yes, wonderful.
Wonderful.
I'm yet to receive instruction, my lord.
4,
And
4 is state government. You have not gone
No.
through your file.
wonderful, my lord.
1 to 4 is state government.
Union,
4 is state government.
yes, 1 to 4 is,
Arey bhai, 4 is the state government.
No, my lord.
You have the other costlies over. This is WPC. Itwading. This is item 26. CGSC is also there. Itwading for the petitioner, Mr. A. Jimomi. I think you are not with the revised list. This is the confusion. CGSC for the respondent Sinti Younger, Chubayim Chen, Conley, V. Anithere. And for the petitioner, A. Jimomi, MS Lucino.
Yes, Lordship. I also have the other questions and my item number is 27.
This is 26
Yes, yes,
in the revised list, 26.
yes, sir.
You are mentioning 26 or 27?
26, my lord.
WPC 11,
No,
WPC 11 2024.
no, my lord, 45 K of 2024.
45.
Yes, my lord.
45, we have stated, we have actually issued the order, none appears for the parties listed after 4 weeks. Item, you are 25, Panki Chopra, Panki, I don't know, your
my
name is quite low.
I beg your pardon, my lord. I printed out the all previous course, please.
Is it Subidar
Yes, my lord.
Rajiv Kumar?
Yes,
Yes, my lord.
Oh, that is item 25,
Oh,
and you are on that 25.
yes, yes, my lord.
So what is your prayer, item 25?
My lord, that is letter will come after 3 weeks. I have yet to receive the instruction. And on top of that, my lord, on this order, it is recorded that I'm receiving all the respondent. But now can you note that
Let us see the record because just wait. This is WPC 45, nah?
yes, my lord.
45, okay, just wait, okay, just wait. Yes, you are appearing for respondent number 1, 2,
1, 3,
4,
and 4. And
5 also.
5 is not actually they have mentioning by name, so that
4
they have
also,
to-
4 also by name.
yes, so that they have to serve a copy to register my lord, register post.
4, 5, 6, 7.
7, yes, my lord.
Mr. Chabo, let me call you that short name. The CGC is saying he's appearing only for 1, 2, and 3.
I have no objection.
So for the rest 4 to 7, you have to serve take steps for service of notice by registered post.
Okay, my lord.
Since you have actually implemented them by name. Okay. Mr. Zaitan Muli, the learner CGC appears for respondent number 1, 2, and 3, and 6 for 3 weeks' time to file counter affidavit on behalf of the said respondents. Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. So-and-so, the learned counsel for the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 4, 5, 6, and 7 by registered post with AD within 3 days, within a period of 3 days from today, listed after 3 weeks.
For orders, item
Now, yes, 26. This is it wording.
Yes, sir. So this report on some I
Who is respondent 9?
the village council.
Okay. Service report in respect of respondent number 9 is still awaited, listed after 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
for hearing. Item number 30.
Your lordship, petitioners are not here, so it matter can come up after 2 weeks.
None appears for the petitioner, listed after 4 weeks.
Item number 31.
Your lordship, on behalf of Inaholis, let this matter come up after 3 weeks.
Yes, Mr. Wati. Yes, where is Inaholi?
Your lordship, she's in this.
Whenever
place
there is
today.
a direction, I think that has to be complied. If not, we impose cost. MSAIME makes a mention on behalf of MS Inauli, the learned government advocate, and seeks adjournment of the case for 2 weeks to comply with the order dated 5/3/2024 passed by this court. Stop. By the order dated 5/3/2024, the learned government advocate was directed to file additional affidavit as well as to receive necessary instructions in the case. Stop. It is made clear that if on the next date, no affidavit is filed or instructions placed before this court in terms of the order dated 5/3/2024, this court shall consider imposing necessary cost. Listed after 2 weeks.
Item number 33.
Yes. Whether all the parties are present?
Lordship, please.
Who is for the government?
Actually, Mr. Mosaic. Lordship, I'm for the medical department.
You're for the?
Medical department.
Oh, respondent.
And responding to
Just give me the gist. Let me see
yes,
if my health will permit.
Lordship, if the method is the method of recruitment for the post of junior dental surgeon. It's governed by the service rules. The Nagaland Health Service Rules 2006.
Okay.
Notification that if you know, has prescribed a method which is contrary to the rules.
Notification for what? The same thing?
Lordship. A notification prescribing the allotment of marks, the method of exams, the method of selection, the method for selecting the junior dental surgeons.
What does the rule says?
Lordship. Lordship, may I kindly Lordship, may I kindly take your Lordship through some relevant provisions of the rules.
Yes.
Lordship, may I kindly come to Rule 5.
Rule 5.
Rule 5. Sub rule number 6.
Sub rule?
Yes.
Rule 5?
5. Sub rule 6, Mala. Next page.
Sub
Junior
rule
grade,
6.
Medical officer, junior specialist, junior dental surgeon. We are concerned with junior dental surgeon. That Lordship may kindly come to Rule 7.
Rule 7.
Method of recruitment. Recruitment to the service after the commencement of this rule shall be made by either of the following methods. 1. By direct recruitment in accordance with Rule 8. And Lordship, the respective quota reserved for direct B. We are concerned with 701 and B now says the respective quotas reserved for direct recruitment and for promotion, the qualification and other conditions required for promotion from lower grade to higher grade, and qualification required for direct recruitment shall be as specified in Schedule 2. Now, Lordship, may kindly come to now Rule 8.
Rule?
Rule 8.
8.
Rule 8.
Direct recruitment.
Yes, direct recruitment. A. Whenever there's a vacancy to be filled up by direct recruitment to the service in accordance with Rule 7A1, the head of the department shall send a requisition to the commission, that is Nagaland Public Service Commission, to the government in the form prescribed by the commission. The requisition shall clearly indicate the number of specialists, if any, to be recruited along with the lines of specialists required. The commission shall advertise the post, specifying the terms and conditions of this rules. Lordship, may kindly come straight away to C. A written examination, Lordship, this is important. A written examination or interview or both for selection to the service shall be held at such time and place as may be prescribed in the notice issued by the commission for the purpose. Every such notice shall, as much as possible, specify the number of vacancies on the results of the written examination. And so, Lordship, the method only exam, written examination, interview or both. And then and see D also. The commission shall prepare a list of all the candidates who have qualified in examination or interview or in order of merit, who shall be determined in accordance with the aggregate marks obtained by each candidate. And if two or more candidates obtain the equal mark, the commission shall arrange them in the order of the proportional approach. So the selection is to be done only through a written examination, interview, or board merit. And the merit is to be based on the marks obtained in this examination. No other method is present. Now, Worship may also see room 9. The qualification for the
Rule 9.
Rule 9.
This is the qualification for direct recruitment
Yes, ma'am. We are also only with H, ma'am.
with A.
A.
With A.
A. Yes, on the first day, shall be of the year and this help and the minimum age limit should not be less than 15 years. The upper age limit is flexible by 5 years in case of any the number of special orders issued by the government in this year from time to time. So 32 plus 5 for this.
37.
Yes, ma'am. Qualification for the post. Candidate B, the candidate for appointment to the service shall hold a degree of MBBS or BBS, professional and dental surgery. The logic is very clear. It's clearly and logic I can see schedule B at
Page 20. Page 20. 21. Schedule 2.
100% by that. 100%.
Let's see which clause.
26.
Schedule 2.
Schedule 2 and 6
Page 22.
Yes. Last
6.
Yes.
Junior grade.
Junior grade.
Name of the
100%
post.
to direct recruitment. 100% direct recruitment. Yes, ma'am.
The junior grade, what?
Junior grade is the dental surgeon's manner.
Dental surgeon, junior
Yes,
grade.
Vessel group 5, 6.
Okay.
Junior dental surgeon also grade, junior grade. So 100% is the post of junior dental surgeon has to be filled. The entire all the posts has to be filled by direct recruitment only. And how the post is to be filled, Lordship, through an examination, written examination, interview or board, and the marks obtained in this interview only will decide the selection process. No alternative prescribed now. No Lordship mechanics come to that, it will not. And the age limit also is prescribed by the rules. Lordship mechanics come to page 22.
Page
22 on my report. 25 now. I'm sorry. Lordship, 27. This is
Yes.
that copy. Yes, Lordship, this is what I'm telling you. This is notification dated 2/11/2022. It's very important at the other side, not on it, or at page 22. 2/11, November 2022. Lordship, Mechanism married this in the interest of public service and on the approval of the cabinet, like numbers such as such, dated 6/5/2022. The governor of Nagaland is pleased to notify the following posts to be recruited through a special recruitment drive as indicated below. Entry number 4, junior dental surgeon, number of vacancies 5. Through the MPSC now, is to fill, recruitment is to be done as per the rules through the MPSC, but Washington kindly come to the process below. Paragraph number 2. The special recruitment drive shall be conducted by the Nagaland Public Service Commission and the Nagaland Staff Selection Board. In our case, Malak, it is through the MPs. 3. The maximum age for eligibility is relaxed up to 45 years. age is relaxed, contrary to the service rules. As one time
Mr.
dispensation-
Imti, this was under very extraordinary special circumstances.
Exactly.
This was under very extraordinary special circumstances.
Everything I will,
In other cases, we have upheld this notification.
Lordship, that's why I will show, my lord, I will show that in the other case, the method of recruitment has not been upheld. Only what has been upheld was when this post was created, special recruitment was made, my lord. Special recruitment was made for temporary purpose. Even in this case, my lord, temporary recruitment has been made for 1 year. After that, my lord, recruitment had to be done. Special recruitment had to be done. But that special recruitment had to be in accordance with the service rules. In other cases, my lord, regular recruitment, but the method, process, the manner in which the method selection had to be made, that was never undertaken. That was never undertaken. Here, I'm also saying that temporary appointments, temporary appointments one month is offered. Now they have to make a recruitment. When they make a recruitment, that recruitment has to be strictly in.
Where is any whether there is any provision for relaxation of the rules?
No, absolutely. There's no provision for relaxation of the rules, and I should spell all that. The condition of recruitment cannot be relaxed. Condition of rules can be relaxed, but in this room, there's no even no provision even for relaxation of condition of success. Therefore, no matter this, the method respected by the service. And Lordship, whatever Lordship has upheld in the previous cases which were here, which have decided, this is the issue that's in this petition. That's not more than this. They have not made the they have not made the recruitment. What precedent has been done? Any some whether some actions made according to their own application that previous form. When we came to this form, we came to this form on the for investments. Not only that, ambush. This doesn't practitioners only funds. Challenge saying that this temporary appointment which is made in the time had to fill up in accordance with the service rules. And that was that in that reflection, what are the steps to take to fill up this form, to fill this purpose on the basis on regular basis? And submitted before this form, submitted the requisition that said that we are going to make a special regular. Those services should be that. Now, after giving that action,
Then have you challenged the policy decision? Challenge?
policy decision, that is the issue. The policy decision means the cabinet. The
Cabinet decision.
cabinet decision was, that is not.
No.
I need not challenge the policy. The cabinet decision, because I need to challenge the order by which was passed under 166. Article 166. Ultimately, whatever decision is taken by, ultimately culminate to the decision under 166. That is the decision. This is the. So those whatever decision was taken, is culminated to an order in terms of Article 166. Does not confirm anywhere, neither less than anywhere. Therefore, I will not change.
No, Mr. This MT. This notification dated 2/11/2022 is the culmination of the policy decision taken by the government.
Yes,
So why don't you challenge that?
I have challenged this.
No, the main, the cabinet decision.
Cabinet decision is not the culmination, no? The cabinet.
What does,
Culminates with, notification under
no,
166.
cabinet decision clearly states that actually like the appointment shall be made on temporary basis and a special recruitment drive.
Yes. Okay. So that special recruitment that
So this is a special recruitment drive giving a 125% of marks.
Always says special area,
And thereafter, if I remember, there are notifications issued by the government. There are actually letters issued by the government upholding that policy decision.
regular recruitment shall be conducted through special and PSC recruitment. Regular recruitment, that is
NPSC special recruitment drive. This notification.
no, another one, the government is preparing. And actually,
Yeah, what is it? What does it say?
Worship mechanics, their affidavit. Their affidavit. The diplomat should then indicate that this appointment shall be temporary and regular recruitment shall be conducted through special and PSC recruitment drive. Regular recruitment,
What about why omitting special?
no.
Special NPSC recruitment drive.
Recruitment shall
That
be
means some
conducted-
concession from the very beginning, some concession has been given
regular recruitment-
for appointment to this post.
That's what, regular recruitment shall be conducted through special and PSC.
That's why through special NPSC recruitment drive. That itself implies that some certain concessions will have to be given while recruitment, regular recruitment is conducted. You challenge that.
My respectful submission is irregular substantial compliance with the solutions.
You are only basing your case on regular appointment. What about the word special? Special recruitment, special NPSC recruitment drive. That by itself suggests that certain concessions would be given while making regular appointment. So why don't you challenge this to avoid all this?
Anyway, this is the
That is why this is the culmination. Culmination of what? Culmination of the policy decisions of the government.
yes.
Ah.
So that policy decision. Proposal was this.
So, Mr. MT, why don't you challenge all those? Why don't you challenge? Why make things complicated? Because if those things are there, this court may go by the policy decisions also, irrespective of whether actually the rule is there or not. Because you are challenging this notification. You are challenging this notification, and you have admitted that this notification is a culmination of the policy decisions of the government.
But that decision.
So that is actually the basic order. This is only consequential.
That is honorable.
So-
Honorable court saying that, that is the case. But I have no authority saying that I need not challenge that decision or any decision until it's and
See, Mr. Imti, this is a very peculiar case. This is a case where actually like the petitioners were recruited during the pandemic. The whole world was under the surge of the pandemic, and nobody was even willing to take up job. It was during that time that the temporary employees, they took up the challenge, they took up the job. That is why the government decided that from the very beginning, a policy decision was taken to give certain concessions while making recruitment. So if you are really agree, why don't you challenge the policy decision?
Well, 5 was filled up from initially, because there were 2 results. No, three were created, and there were 2 results that they can see. 5 were advised, so 5 were selected.
Mr. Imti, your submission on the legal point, this court will not dispute. But you will also appreciate the fact that actually this temporary appointments were made in a very abnormal time, in a very, very abnormal time. During the pandemic, Nobody was willing to take up even a good job, especially in the medical sector. Nobody was willing to take up. There's some people, they volunteered to take up the job. That is why, considering the sacrifices made by these people, the government has actually adopted a policy decision stating that the post will be recruited through special NPSC drive, meaning thereby that certain concessions will be given to these persons. So why don't you challenge that policy also?
Lordship, the fact remains, recruitment will be done through the NPSC as per the rules.
Huh.
The exception is there only with regard to the allotment of marks.
125.
Yes.
125 marks.
Yes. Only the question of
125 marks.
So if the
125 marks
petitioners are
and
agreed, yes.
age concession of 45 years. You are afraid. These petitioners are fresh. They did not they did not take up the job during the. They applied. They did not get it. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Lordship, in the competition, Lordship, they are eligible.
So now we
They are also
have
eligible.
only for 64% now. 64% pass. A person who was studying, not only the those people who don't complete earlier, that will at least, they also get it.
No, this, as I've said, this is a very peculiar. This is a very peculiar situation where actually the court cannot completely ignore. Besides the low point, which is in your favor, but the circumstances, this court also has to ponder on that. Court has to ponder on that,
Lordship,
considering what sacrifices
yes,
those people have made. So once and for all, to settle the matter, you challenge the policy decision, because this notification is a culmination of the policy decision. That is up to you. See, this court has also upheld this notification in the previous by dismissing the earlier petition. Impliedly, this court has upheld.
yes. To go ahead with the recruitment as per the policy decision. Lordship, I kindly appreciate the fact the second cabinet decision of 25th June 2020, Lordship, was upheld by this court. Then came the post creation, that was also upheld, where it has been specifically stated there will be a special recruitment drive through NPSC or any other body.
Then I vividly remember we have also upheld the 5 July 2000.
20,
That was the policy decision
Yes.
of the government creating the post.
yes, Lordship.
Correct.
Yes.
And thereafter, we have upheld a letter, one
Yes.
letter issued by the government.
Yes, but one of those, special features to be given for the recruitment rate if you want to.
For those who have served during COVID-19 pandemic.
Lordship, in the other writ petition also, the same notification which the petitioners are challenging has been upheld. There are three cases, Lordship. There are three cases.
That's why.
Even division bench has upheld. DB.
The decision is only for the person that decides. This issue was not raised.
Mr. MT, you are putting this court in a very, very difficult situation, considering that all these issues arose during the pandemic. See, during the pandemic, I think we cannot completely ignore that. 21, 22, during those horrible days, there are some persons who had actually sacrificed their lives. And for that, the government thought that let us give at least some privilege to them. And that is why this notification, impugn notification. So you think over it, you discuss with your client. This court is also in a very tight position after upholding this notification, which you are challenging. Correct. Correct. You discuss and come. Okay. Mr. Imti Longchum, the learned counsel for the petitioner. 6 for some time to receive certain instructions from the petitioner. Prayer is allowed, listed after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
Item number 9.
Yes, Mr. Tiba, what is this? Reply affidavit. You have filed your reply affidavit? You have filed your reply affidavit? Huh? Wait, what is your prayer? Let us see. Yes. Mr. Tiba, I think if this is the specific prayer,
Yes, my lord.
where is that appeal? Where is that appeal? At page 46. Page 46. An appeal under rule 14. And what is the penalty imposed by, this is against the disciplinary proceedings?
Yes.
What is that impugn order?
Page 29.
Page 29. Page 29. Driver 2. Driver 2 NST.
Yes, sir.
Show cause notice, page 25. Any inquiry? What is the finding? Inquiry finding? No, obviously that should be. You have not enclosed the inquiry. So basically your prayer is like disposal of the appeal which you have filed against the disciplinary authority. Where is the fact? Which para you have stated the fact about your service? Page 4. Tara. 3, 3, 1, 3. Okay. We are not concerned about.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Tiba,
Yes, my lord.
we direct the respondents to dispose the appeal in accordance with law.
If without going into the merit, if that direction can be issued, then my lord, I have no objection.
No, why should I go into the merit? I am not the appellate authority. We only, since actually the appeal is pending disposal for a long time,
Yes.
we direct the respondents to dispose of the appeal in accordance with law.
Yes.
That's all. Within a specific time, we give a specific time. Okay, nothing
Okay.
adverse, nothing
Yes.
adverse. And I'm not the appellate authority, so I cannot go into the merit also.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay, my lord.
who's next? Okay.
Much obliged.
Computer section, code 1 over.